Okay, we're going to explore some compound interest. So last time was simple interest. So you're always earning your interest based on your principal amount. So here's an example. One person is going to invest 500 with 3% interest, simple. So 500 they start with, and at the end of year one, 3% of that is $15 of interest. So they have 515. Okay, but every year they're only going to get $15 of interest because they're basing their interest off of 3% of 500. So now they have 515, adding 15 more, they get 530. In the third year they had 530 and they only get $15 more, so 15 added every time. Or if you do this the formula way, you have PRT, so 500 times the rate times 4 years we did, you end up with 560, which matches that. Okay, but now compound interest is that you're always basing it off of the new amount, not the principal amount. Okay, so we started with 500 bucks, 3% was $15, so we end up with $15. So if this compounds every year, in the second year I'm now starting at 515. So now 515 times 3%, now you're going to make 1545 interest, and add that on, you end up with 530.45. Okay, so now year 3, that's what I'm starting with, and then 3% of this amount and add on. Okay, so you're always basing the interest off of the new amount, not the principal amount. So the formula is 500, and then you're going to have your 1 plus your interest rate over your number of compounds per year times, or to the exponent of your number of compounds times your time. Okay, this example is that it compounds every year, so you are taking the end year and putting it in. Okay, sometimes you can do it every month or week or quarterly. Okay, so for this example, it's just that at the end of every year. So the interest rate just gets divided by 1 because you're only working with years. So we, on this example, don't need to use it. So 1 plus 0.03 to the 4. Okay, or 500 times 1.03 to the 4, and you get the matching result. Okay, so let's check this out. Determine the difference in the interest at the maturity of these two investments. Okay, so Nor invests $6,000, and he's going to, so that's the principal, for 6 years, that's my time, simple interest rate. Okay, so we're doing PRT. So Nor, okay, so P times R times T. So 6,000 times 0.06 times 6 means he makes that much interest, but he also invested 6,000. So that's how much he has. And then let's do Midori's case. So 6,000 is a principal for 6 years again, 6%, but this is compound. Okay, so 6,000 times 1 plus 0.06, and since it's annual, then I don't need to worry about that, and 6 years. So 6,000 times 1.06 to the 6. 85.
Hi, would all Chamber Choir members meet in the choir room now, please?
Okay.
All Chamber Choir.
So this is the final amount that they both have, but who earned the most interest? Okay, so we knew that Nor got $2,160 of interest. and Midori got, we would have to subtract 6,000 off of that. So 2511 11. Okay, so Midori got the most interest. Number 8, arrange them in order of greatest return of least to greatest returns of investment. Okay, so A, let's work with A. Simple interest, so PRT, 900 times rate times 2. So 900 times 0.053 times 2 years is 9540. Okay, out of the principal that you invested, it's a 10.6 return. Okay, B is a compound, so 450, and we're going to go 1 plus 0.0375 to the 7. Okay, so 450 times 1.0375 to the 7, and we get 582.28, but that's not the interest, that's what it ends up at the end. So subtracting 450 means that we earn $132.28 of interest. Okay? Divide by the principal investment means we get a 29.4% return. That's pretty good. Alright, and C, simple interest, so 600P times R times T. So 600 times 0.075 times 3, $135 of interest out of an investment of 600, 22.5%. Okay, so there are the 3, and you can order them least to greatest.